When I was visiting a friend in Tokyo, she made me the most fabulous green beans with miso sesame sauce. As you might have noticed, I like my vegetables well browned. Roasted, braised, grilled, seared, those are my kinds of vegetables. But the beauty of this miso sesame sauce is that it brings that kind of complexity to the raw and blanched vegetables. It can taste great on absolutely anything: green beans, asparagus, carrots, kale, broccoli. The possibilities are endless. Today we'll make it with green beans, but don't be afraid to improvise. Bring a pot of water almost to a boil. Add some salt and get the water to a rolling boil. Dump in the green beans. If they want to poke out of the water, tuck them in and cover the pot. Set the timer for 2 minutes. After the first minute, you should get your boil back. As soon as that happens, take off the lid so that the water doesn't boil over. To test if the beans are done, fish one out. Dunk into cold water for 2 seconds and take a bite. Try to do this tasting very quickly so that the rest of them don't overcook. I like them very crunchy, so 2 minutes is plenty for me, but of course, all green beans are different. Immediately drain them and rinse in cold water for a couple of minutes until they are completely cold. While the green beans are draining, let's make the sauce. We'll need 2 tablespoons of white miso, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. I buy mine already toasted. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of a neutral oil like canola. Process all the stuff with a machine of your choice. The advantage of an immersion blender is that it can do small quantities. If you want to use a regular blender or food processor, you might need to double the recipe. Just a reminder that it's a bad idea to use your fingers to clean out the immersion blender. A spoon is a lot safer. The final consistency of the sauce should be something like peanut butter. I prefer tiny pieces of sesame seeds to still be visible. I don't want the sauce to be completely smooth. This sauce will be fine in the fridge for about a week. Before we dress the green beans, we need to dry them very thoroughly. We don't want all that water diluting our sauce. In the beginning, the sauce will clump up because it's so thick. So just be a little patient and it will spread out and coat your beans nicely. Miso is very salty, so don't add any salt until you taste them. I think they're just right. These are as addictive as potato chips, but surprisingly good for you, so you can have as many as you want. Here are more culinary tutorials for you to check out, and the link to my classes is in the description below.